Have you ever wanted to speak in English but stopped yourself? Not because you didn't know the words, but because you were thinking too much. What if I make a mistake? What if people judge me? What if my English is not perfect? And in that moment, you stayed silent. Hello, dear listeners. This is Sunita Rawat, and today we are going to talk about something that almost every learner struggles with: overthinking. Not grammar, not vocabulary, but the thoughts that stop you before you even try. Many people say, my English is weak. But the truth is, for most people, English is not the real problem. The real problem is fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, fear of not sounding perfect. And because of this fear, we start overthinking. We don't speak freely, we don't try naturally, we try to be perfect. Let's understand something very important. English is not an art to be mastered. English is not something you have to be perfect at. English is a tool to be used. Just like a mobile phone, you don't master it before using it. You learn while using it. In the same way, you don't need perfect English to start speaking. You improve by speaking. Imagine you are in a group. People are talking in English. You understand most of it. You even have something to say. A simple sentence forms in your mind, but suddenly your mind starts asking questions. Is this correct? Should I use present tense or past? What if I pronounce it wrong? What will they think? And while you're thinking, the moment passes. Someone else speaks. And you stay quiet. Later, you tell yourself, I knew it, but I couldn't say it. Dear listeners, overthinking is not helping you. It is stopping you. It makes you doubt your sentences, delay your response, lose confidence, and avoid speaking. You're not stuck because you don't know English. You're stuck because you're trying to make every sentence perfect. Let's simplify everything. Your goal is not perfect English. Your goal is clear communication. Ask yourself, did the other person understand me? If yes, then your English worked. Because language is not about perfection, it is about connection. This is very important. Don't speak English to impress yourself. Don't speak English to sound perfect. Speak English for your listener. Speak in a way that the other person can understand easily. Use simple words, use clear sentences. Because communication is not about showing how much you know. It is about making sure the other person understands. There are three main reasons. Why do you overthink? Fear of mistakes. We think mistakes are wrong, but mistakes are part of learning. Fear of judgment. We think people are watching us closely, but most people are busy thinking about themselves. Habit of translating. We think in one language, translate, check, and then speak. This creates delay. There was a girl named Arti. She understood English. She knew words, but she didn't speak because she wanted to be perfect. One day, her teacher told her, don't try to speak perfect English. Try to communicate clearly. That changed everything. Arti started speaking in simple English, small sentences, basic words, sometimes wrong, but always clear. She focused on one thing. Can the other person understand me? Slowly, her fear reduced. Her confidence increased. Her English improved naturally. Dear listeners, here are some simple shifts. Speak simple, not perfect. Focus on clarity, not complexity. Use English daily, not occasionally. Stop overthinking every word. Speak for understanding, not impression. Fluent speakers are not those who never make mistakes. They are those who don't stop because of mistakes. They keep speaking, they keep improving, they keep communicating. Instead of saying, I'll speak when I'm perfect, say, I'll become better because I speak. Instead of saying, what if I make a mistake? Say, what if I learn something new? Dear listeners, English is not something you master first and use later. You use it and then you improve. You don't need perfect English. You need the courage to speak clearly. So next time, when your mind says, wait, think, check, tell yourself, speak and learn. This is Sunita Rawat, and this is Dear Listeners, where we don't just learn English, we learn to use it fearlessly. I'll meet you in the next episode. Till then, speak more, think less, and focus on being understood.